Good evening. I'm happy to be here with I Am Icon, reflecting spirit, innovations and energy. With respected dignitaries here and all great friends from Mumbai and young talents there, maybe one of you probably will be achieving, and I always really very optimistic, somebody from Mumbai, from medical field will get Nobel one day. Okay, so I'm going to talk about innovations in a short. Our society is moving faster than it ever has in the past. Technologies and concepts available to us today seem like science fiction to previous generations. Why? Even the use of mobile phones seems alien to our parents and sometimes even to us. Did any of us imagine holding smartphones 10 years ago? Yet, despite this technological breakthrough, advancement and innovation, it is not uniform. Some fields have developed slowly in comparison to others. Medicine is one such field. Expensive, inefficient and often ineffective healthcare is dying for innovation. It's craving for innovations. Take for example, the smartphone in your hand. Some of us use it to telechat and Skype with our friends. Now you can do this with your doctor as well. It may be possible to consult specialists, seek opinions without the long hours waiting for an appointment. Virtual technology that has taken the world by storm is also being used in medicine. Avatar therapy is being used to treat all types of mental disorders, including depression, schizophrenia and PTSD. The best thing is that after a few sessions, the individual need not come all the way to the doctor's clinic. They can complete their sessions in the comfort of their own homes. Another interesting use of virtual technology today is the development of medical robots, which are being used as OT room assistants and sometimes even surgeons. Innovation as a concept is widely misunderstood. It may be worthwhile to start off with an acceptable definition. And what is it? Innovation is defined as a process by which varying degrees of measurable value enhancement is planned and achieved in any commercial activity. This process may be breakthrough or incremental, and it may occur systematically in a company or sporadically. Innovation in medical technology improves people's lives and brings the benefits of treatment to individuals whose condition may previously have been difficult or impossible to treat. At the same time, innovation is not only about improving products, it is improving the way the healthcare is delivered, making healthcare system more efficient and reachable to all those unreachables and most sustainable. Furthermore, the continuous innovation within medical technology sector is helping to drive the competitiveness of a knowledge-based economy, bringing increased prosperity to all. Innovation is one of the many things that fuel societal progress. Within healthcare, innovation not only must occur in science, technology and medicine, but also in how we think and approach healthcare problems and solutions. It simply means innovation should be in our attitudes as a medical professionals. Medical innovation finds its true meaning through the impact it has on patients. In this era, we are existing where we as people are less amazed by innovative high-tech advances. At times, we expect things to come and go. However, our lethargy towards recent invention and innovation is to speculate what it means to be innovative. So it's not that we are less stunned by innovation, but we don't meaningfully know innovations anymore. It is indeed an exciting time to be in a medical fraternity with so much new research and such new innovations that will change the face of medicine over the next few years. The developing medical technology industry, I am sure, should now focus their energies on the development of more simple, cost-effective tools that can be used and implemented in the developing countries like India, in small community sites as well as in large hospitals. I would like to end with note of caution. Medicine is a branch that is primarily human and interactive in nature. It is the patient and his or her welfare that should be the primary focus, not the swanky gadgets. While we now have the fortunate opportunity to provide technologically advanced healthcare to our patient, we should maintain care that these industrial changes do not take away the human touch from the medicine. So, we are not expecting all the time cure with advancement, but care with the humanity, and I think that is the very, very important dimension of the innovations we should not forget. Thank you very much.